In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the playback mode inside Procreate Dreams. If you're interested in downloading this project file, follow the instruction in the description box below. So by default, when you hit play inside a movie, it's gonna loop from the beginning to the end and then go back to the beginning. If you want to change the way it loops back, you can go to the settings by tapping on the name of your project and then go to timeline. By default, it loops, and you can also do ping pong, which is back and forth, just like how ping pong works. If you want your section of your movie to only play one time, you can also choose one shot. So here is how you change the playback mode in Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.